Hello, everyone. I am Juan David Blanco, and today I'm going to share my plans for my next vacation. Next month, I am going to visit my aunt who live in San Andrés y Providencia. She is my favorite one, and I am going to bring some gift for her. If my father doesn't have to work, he will go with me. I am going to swim in the sea with my cousin. I will buy many things there if I have money. My mother is going to travel as well. I love the weather in that place because it is hot and the night are cold. I will eat fish around the beach. I will get up late in the morning and take a rest all the day. There in San Andres are many activities to do. I will have a great time